Are you ready to transform your classroom door into a fall masterpiece? Imagine walking into a room where the atmosphere is instantly set by the vibrant colors, cozy vibes, and creative designs that scream autumn. But where do you start? What makes a door design truly stand out? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal some of the most stunning and easy-to-create fall classroom door ideas that will not only impress your students but also inspire a welcoming and festive classroom environment. Q1. What are some classic fall elements to incorporate into classroom door designs? To create a fall-themed classroom door that captivates everyone who passes by, incorporating classic autumn elements is key. These elements bring the essence of fall right into your classroom, setting the tone for the entire season. Fall leaves. Use a mix of red, orange, yellow, and brown leaves, real or crafted from paper. Arrange them in a cascading effect across the door to mimic the beauty of autumn. Pumpkins. Add some 3D pumpkins crafted from construction paper, or even small artificial ones. They provide a fun, eye-catching dimension that highlights the harvest season. Harvest symbols. Incorporate symbols like cornucopias, scarecrows, or hay bales. These symbols not only evoke the spirit of fall, but also bring a touch of tradition and warmth to your classroom. If these classic ideas are sparking your creativity, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow teachers who might be planning their own fall-themed doors. How can you personalize your classroom door to reflect the students and classroom culture? Personalization is a great way to make your classroom door not just festive, but also meaningful. By incorporating elements that reflect your students and classroom culture, you create a door that resonates on a deeper level, making everyone feel a part of something special. Student names. Create leaf cutouts with each student's name, making each student feel included and represented in the design. Class motto. Display your class motto or a favorite quote in a fun, autumnal font. This adds an educational twist while reinforcing a positive classroom environment. Student artwork. Encourage students to create small, fall-themed art pieces that can be added to the door design. This not only adds color, but also gives students a sense of pride in their contribution. Which personalization idea would you try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to make your classroom door unique this fall. What are some unique and creative fall door design ideas that go beyond the traditional? While traditional fall designs are always a hit, stepping outside the box with unique ideas can make your classroom door the talk of the school. Let's explore some creative twists on the classic fall theme. Interactive doors. Consider adding an interactive element, like a door that students can add to throughout the season, such as a thankful tree, where students write what they are thankful for on paper leaves. This makes the door a living, evolving display. Literary themes. Choose a fall-themed book and bring it to life on your door. Think about scenes from Charlotte's Web or The Legend of Sleepy Hollow, which not only decorate but also inspire a love for reading. Mystery themes. Create a door that invites curiosity, like a Guess the Scarecrow game, where students guess which staff member is represented by a scarecrow. This engages the entire school community and adds an element of fun competition. For more creative classroom ideas like this, check out the playlist in the description below and keep the inspiration going all season long. How can you create a fall door design on a budget? You don't need to break the bank to craft an amazing fall classroom door. With a few clever tricks, you can create something beautiful without spending much, proving that creativity doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Upcycle materials. Use recycled materials like old magazines for leaf cutouts or leftover fabric for a cozy door border. This not only saves money, but also teaches students about sustainability. Nature's bounty. Gather natural materials like pine cones, branches, and acorns from outside, which can be used to decorate the door at no cost. These natural elements add authenticity to the autumn theme. DIY crafts. Instead of buying decorations, create them with your students. Paper chains, handprint turkeys, or paper pumpkins are cost-effective and fun to make. It's a great way to involve students in the creative process. Loving these budget-friendly tips? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more cost-effective classroom ideas throughout the school year. What are some tips for making a fall door design that is durable and long-lasting? If you want your fall door to stay fresh and vibrant all season long, durability is crucial. Here's how to ensure your design lasts, keeping your classroom looking festive through every autumn activity. Laminate decorations. By laminating paper decorations, you protect them from wear and tear, ensuring they last through the season. This simple step makes your efforts go further. Use strong adhesives. Opt for heavy-duty tapes or adhesives that will hold up over time, especially with heavier decorations. This prevents the frustrating task of reattaching items as they fall off. Weatherproofing. If your door is exposed to elements like drafts or sunlight, consider UV-resistant or waterproof materials for added durability. This way, your decorations remain intact and vibrant, no matter the condition. Want to see more tips like these? Don't forget to check the description for similar videos that will help you keep your classroom festive all year round. How can you involve students in the process of decorating the classroom door for fall? Involving students in decorating your classroom door not only makes the process more enjoyable, but also helps foster a sense of community. When students contribute, the door becomes a reflection of their collective creativity. Collaborative design. Start by brainstorming ideas with your students. Let them vote on their favorite design concept, ensuring that the final choice is something everyone is excited about. Assign roles. Give each student a specific role in the decorating process, whether it's cutting, gluing, or arranging elements. This makes the project manageable and inclusive. Display their work. Make sure the final design features elements created by the students. This could be their drawings, writings, or other art projects, giving them ownership of the final product. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a like and share it with your colleagues who are gearing up for the fall season. So there you have it, 6 creative and engaging ways to design a fall-themed classroom door that's not only beautiful, but also meaningful and durable. Whether you're looking to create something classic or get a bit more creative, these tips will ensure your door stands out all season long. Remember, the best designs are the ones that make your students feel at home and excited to learn.